guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Enough For You. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player with basic chords, and we're not using a capo for this one, so just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and the chords are as follows. So first we have a G, right, which is 3-2 open, open, 3-3, so we have G, E minor, which is open 2-2, 1-1-1, sorry, open 2-2, open, 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 right, and then we go to C, open 3-2, open 1-3, and then back to G, which is 3-2, 3-2, open, open, 3-3, right? So we have G, E minor, C, and then back to G, E minor, C, back to G. And I guess the highlight of the song are the third and second strings. So if you can, try to strum only to the second string, like. Right, and not play the first string. Okay, so just strum up to second string. So when we're playing G, it's actually 3-2, open, 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 3. Right, because we need the second string open. So we're playing G, E minor, C, back to G. Right, we're really emphasizing on the second and third string every time we strum up. So my strumming pattern here is down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up. Alright, so you found someone. Right, like that. So yeah, that's basically it for the beginner, and then the intermediate player might wanna plug. G we have strings 6, 4, 3, 2, and then for E minor it's the same. For C it's 5, 4, 3, 2, and then for G it's the same as the first time. Alright, that's what you're playing. The advanced player can merge the two to have strums in your verses and then the plugs for your chorus. And then let's just see if we can add something else to make it really professional, you know? Okay, so I'm playing the song right here, just to make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. Okay, so it's gonna be the same thing throughout, and I watched one of her performances, and she seemed to have been playing I don't know what chord this is, but it's like a alright, that chord, whatever it is. If you know it, please let me know in the comment section below. But that's basically it, because you're going to be playing the same thing throughout. That's the verse, that's the chorus, that's everything, right? So the chord progression does not change. Do let me know in the comment section if you want to see a fingerstyle tutorial of this. I will get to that. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.